Now, if you think green tea is just a comforting beverage, think again. We're about to uncover 11 surprising benefits that will make you see green tea in a whole new light. From enhancing your brain power to supporting your heart health and even some secrets to anti-aging, green tea has got it all. But wait, there's more. We've got a tantalizing teaser for you. Did you know that green tea holds the key to a boost in metabolism and could potentially reduce the risk of certain cancers? That's right. Stick around and we'll be spilling the tea on all these incredible revelations and more. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is green tea? Green tea is a type of tea that is made from Camellia sinensis leaves and buds, the same plant that gives us black and oolong tea. What sets green tea apart is its minimal processing, allowing it to retain a higher concentration of antioxidants and beneficial polyphenols. Originating in China over 4,000 years ago, green tea has a rich cultural history. Legend has it that the Chinese Emperor Shen Nong discovered tea when some leaves from a wild tea tree blew into his boiling water. And thus the journey of tea began. Now, when it comes to varieties, green tea boasts an impressive range, each with its unique flavor profile and characteristics. You've got your classic sencha from Japan, the slightly smoky gunpowder from China, and the delicate jasmine green tea. The list goes on! So whether you're a green tea aficionado or just starting your tea journey, understanding the basics lays the foundation for appreciating the incredible benefits we're about to explore. Now that we've sipped on the history and varieties, it's time to unravel the nutritional powerhouse that is green tea. Green tea is packed to the brim with antioxidants, essential vitamins, and minerals that make it a true elixir for your well-being. In fact, one of the key players here is the group of antioxidants known as catechins, with epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, taking center stage. These antioxidants act as superheroes in our bodies, fighting off free radicals that can cause cell damage and contribute to various health issues. Now, let's get a bit scientific for a moment. Green tea is a rich source of vitamins, including vitamin C, which supports our immune system, and various B vitamins that play a crucial role in metabolism. But it doesn't stop there. Minerals like potassium, magnesium, and zinc are also present in green tea, contributing to overall health and well-being. Now, why does this matter? These components work in harmony to boost our metabolism, support heart health, and even aid in maintaining healthy skin. It's like giving your body a daily dose of vitality with every sip. And here's where it gets really exciting. Antioxidants, particularly EGCG, have been linked to a myriad of health benefits. From potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases to supporting brain health, the list goes on. So, as we sip on our cup of green tea, we're not just treating our taste buds, we're nourishing our bodies with a symphony of goodness. But enough with the science talk. Let's explore the practical magic of green tea in the next segment. The surprising benefits that can truly transform your health. Benefit number 1. Improved brain function. Green tea doesn't just give you a gentle caffeine kick, it contains L-theanine, an amino acid that synergizes with caffeine to provide a balanced boost in alertness and cognitive function without the jitteriness. It's like a mental high five from your teacup. But don't just take my word for it. Studies have shown that the combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea can enhance various aspects of brain function, including improved mood, reaction time, and memory. Now that's a brain-boosting brew! Benefit number 2, fat burning. Yes, you heard it right. Green tea has been hailed as a natural fat-burning elixir. The secret? Those powerful catechins we mentioned earlier, especially EGCG. Green tea has been shown to boost metabolic rate and increase fat burning, making it a potential ally in weight management. And the best part? This effect is even more pronounced during exercise, making it the perfect companion for your fitness journey. Let's add some science to the mix. Numerous studies have suggested that green tea extract can aid in fat loss, with some even pointing towards its ability to specifically target abdominal fat. It's like having a workout buddy in a teacup. Benefit number 3. Lower risk of certain cancers. Now this is a game changer. Green tea's antioxidant-rich profile, especially those powerful catechins, has been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. Studies suggest that regularly consuming green tea may lower the risk of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. These findings highlight the potential of green tea as a delicious and proactive addition to your cancer prevention toolkit. So there you have it. Improved brain function, fat burning, and a potential shield against certain cancers. Green tea isn't just a beverage, it's a holistic approach to enhancing your well-being. But wait, we've only scratched the surface. Benefit number 4. Heart health. Your heart is in for a treat with green tea. Studies have suggested that regular consumption may help lower bad cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular health. Green tea may also protect LDL bad cholesterol from oxidation, which is a crucial step in the development of heart disease. Benefit number 5. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Green tea may play a role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, offering a potential shield against the development of type 2 diabetes. It's not just about the antioxidants. Compounds in green tea may improve insulin sensitivity, crucial for managing blood sugar. So here's to a cup of green tea for a sweet and healthy future. Benefit number 6, improved dental health. Say cheese. Green tea contains natural antibacterial properties that can help combat the growth of harmful bacteria in your mouth. This not only leads to fresher breath, but may also contribute to a lower risk of cavities and gum disease. It's like a sip of oral hygiene with every cup. From heart-healthy sips to blood sugar balance and a smile that radiates dental health, green tea is proving to be quite the superhero. But hang tight, we're not done yet. After a quick sip, we'll dive into benefits 7 to 9, unveiling even more reasons to make green tea a daily ritual. Benefit number 7, lowered risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Now this one is truly fascinating. The powerful antioxidants in green tea, particularly catechins, may play a protective role in the brain, potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies have suggested that regular consumption of green tea could be associated with a slower rate of cognitive decline as we age. It's like a shield for your brain, keeping it sharp and resilient. Benefit number 8, improved mood. If you've ever felt that calming sensation after sipping on a cup of green tea, you're not alone. The amino acid L-theanine, combined with a modest amount of caffeine, creates a unique synergy that can have a positive impact on mood and relaxation. Benefit number 9, enhanced exercise performance. Now this might sound surprising, but the magic of green tea extends to your workouts. The caffeine content in green tea can stimulate the release of fatty acids from the fat tissues, improving physical performance. So whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or even enjoying a brisk walk, consider making green tea your pre-workout companion. It might just give you the boost you need to reach new fitness heights. From safeguarding your brain health to brightening your mood and enhancing your exercise performance, green tea continues to unveil its extraordinary benefits. Benefit number 10, anti-aging properties. Who doesn't want to turn back the clock a bit? Green tea's rich arsenal of antioxidants, especially those powerful catechins, might just be your secret weapon against premature aging. Now, no one is saying green tea is a magical elixir that will keep you forever young, but studies have suggested that the antioxidants in green tea may help protect your skin from the effects of aging, leaving you with a radiant and youthful glow. Benefit number 11, potential in weight management. Green tea has long been celebrated for its potential role in supporting weight management. It's not a miracle solution, but the combination of caffeine and catechins in green tea has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Couple that with a healthy lifestyle, and you might just find your weight management ally in a cup. Now, before we wrap up this incredible journey through green tea's benefits, we want to hear from you. Have you experienced any positive changes in your health after incorporating green tea into your routine? Share your stories, tips, or questions in the comments below. Let's make this a space for tea enthusiasts to connect and inspire each other. If you enjoyed our tea time together and want to be a part of future wellness explorations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support means the world, and we can't wait to share more health and happiness with you in the future. Until our next tea-filled rendezvous, take care, stay well, and keep steeping the goodness into your life. Cheers to your health. Thanks for watching.